Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a full-stack developer? If so, you're in the right place. Firstly, it's important to know what exactly a full-stack developer does. On the front end, they create what users see and interact with on a website, using tools like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. On the back end, they handle server-side logic, data management, and security using languages like Java, Python, and PHP. Next, you need to decide how you'll learn these skills. If you prefer structured learning, consider a bachelor's degree in computer science or web development. Coding bootcamps are another great option, providing intensive, hands-on training. Of course, there are plenty of online courses that let you learn at your own pace. Or, if you're disciplined and motivated, you can teach yourself. To become a full-stack developer, there are several essential skills you need to master. On the front end, you'll need to know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and optionally, JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js. On the back end, you'll need to learn programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, Node.js, and PHP, along with databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. You'll also need to understand server frameworks like Django, Spring, and Express.js, as well as how to use APIs for data exchange. But your learning shouldn't stop there. You should also familiarize yourself with version control systems like Git and GitHub, testing methodologies, and DevOps principles. Soft skills like communication, collaboration, problem-solving, and time management are also crucial. Once you've honed your skills, it's time to showcase them by building a portfolio. This can include personal projects, contributions to open-source projects, and freelance work. Next, it's time to start networking. Attend developer meetups and conferences, join online communities and forums, and seek out mentors who can provide guidance and advice. Finally, remember that becoming a full-stack developer isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies, challenge yourself with new projects and learning opportunities, and above all, never stop learning and improving your skills. In summary, the path to becoming a full-stack developer involves understanding the role, choosing your learning path, mastering essential skills, developing additional skills, building a portfolio, networking, and continuous learning. It may seem daunting, but with patience, consistency, and passion, you can make it happen. And trust us, it's worth the effort.